Today we're making some Thai basil chicken. Shallots. Throw some of that Thai basil in there. Meat scissors. There you got a pound of chicken, sauteing up. We're gonna take a little bit of soy sauce, put some of this over it. We're gonna take some hot pepper flakes, sprinkle those in there. Go ahead and throw in the peppers. Really can't go wrong with putting too much of that Thai basil in there. Put it underneath the lid for a minute. Some good looking stuff. You got peppers, you got chicken, you got that basil in there. It's really sweet. If you want to save the heat, go ahead and leave out the peppers, or like the hot pepper flakes. Personally, I think it adds a lot of flavor. It's worth it. If you ever had Thai food, that's part of what makes it so great, right? There you go. A meal prep that's sure to have your bros jealous. If you prep this for somebody else, they're gonna think you're a genius.